Hello everyone and welcome to Lexus of Edmonton located on 170th Street. Today we have a 2023 Lexus RX 350 hybrid luxury package in the color EMINENT White Pearl. This is an all-wheel drive 2.5-liter electric and gas SUV with LED headlamps and 20-inch alloy wheels. Coming to the driver's door, we have your mirror-mounted turn signals as well as keyless entry. On the door panel, you have your automated mirror, lock, and window buttons. You have a 10-way automated driver's seat in macadamia leather. Beside your wheel, you have a hatch opener, gas button, and a memory seating function. On your steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth, cruise control, and your vehicle's maintenance information. Heading to center console, we have your 14-inch HD touchscreen. This is where you can find your navigation, radio controls, your heated and cooling seats, heated steering wheel, temperature controls, and other vehicle options. Moving down center console, we have a hidden wireless charging pad, cup holders, and your armrest storage compartment. On your headliner, you have an auto rear view dimming mirror, touch lights, and your panoramic moonroof controls. Heading to the back passenger area, you have a middle seat, armrest with a small storage compartment, and cup holders. You have heated and cooling seats in the back center console. Heading to the back passenger area where we can open our automated hatch button with our key fob, and inside we have our privacy cover, and on the left-hand side we have automated back seat buttons that allow for extra storage space, and under the carpet we have your spare tire. When done, push the hatch button and it will automatically lock.